Okay, so now let's talk about some benefits to using PMI, right? Why go through a transition of the legacy 2D drawing platform or methods to now something that's full 3D? Well, the first thing is it really makes the manufacturing portion of this easy, right? When you go ahead and send over a 2D drawing or a part, there's a lot of post processes that need to take place. And some of this includes part planning and NC manufacturing and programming. So when you use PMI and you have the manufacturing portion integrated with it, it makes it easy for the software to use auto recognition for different attributes like tolerances, surface finish, right? You can select a specific face or surface for that finish to be applied to. Face attributes, feature colors, thread information such as pitch, length, different types. So it really makes it easy for you to go into the next step as opposed to a 2D drawing that's really static and dependent on the user's input. Right? So this leverages reusing existing data. Right? You have your model that's already created. Why go ahead and fully dimension something that already exists, and you can just leverage PMI. And so here we can reuse that data, that PMI data, and push this out to collaborate with different suppliers. Right? We can push out a 3D PDF or a viewable for them to quickly rotate the model, get the model along with the dimensions. We talked about NC programming. You can do a variation analysis with this, assembly process planning, so you can add sequences and instructions when you publish. You can leverage CMM inspection with your existing CAD and drawing production. And so what we've seen in the field, when you use PMI-driven machining, it can reduce the time for NC programming by 20% and can reduce inspection programming time by 80%. So that was very significant. And we'll touch on some case studies next here. But another good benefit about this is you can now have checkmates or validations on your models, so you can verify out of the box if it's compliant with GD&T standards. You can check some syntactic and semantics, so validating your feature control frames, your data feature symbols, and overall it reduces the time and dependencies of highly trained GD&T experts. Okay? So you can basically have someone set up that checkmate once and push this out to the rest of the team. They run that checkmate, it gives them a validation, or it points them to an error, and they can quickly go ahead and resolve that. Okay. Another benefit is if you have existing 2D drawings, it's quite easy to go ahead and leverage that, create a PMI model, or vice versa. If you have something already existing in PMI, but you need a 2D drawing to be published afterwards, you can go ahead and convert that as well.
Thanks for checking out our channel. If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on any new videos. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter for the latest engineering news and information. And to see all of our upcoming events, please visit our website at saratech.com/events.